Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get element road in Fish It. So the element road is one of the most versatile tools in Fish It that will allow you to easily catch some mythic or even secret fish in the game. And here I'm going to show you how you can unlock the quest to get the element road as a reward, and how you can also get through the missions. So first, to unlock the quest, you need to go to the ancient jungle and find the underground cellar, which is located in the ancient jungle, but it's only open at night. So when you try to open it, or when you try to find it at day, you cannot find it because it's only open at night. And after that, you can just go inside the underground cellar until you find this green temple, and you'll see this element quest board. So there are 4 missions that you need to finish to get the element road as the reward. First one, you need to own a Ghostfin road. So if you haven't completed the Ghostfin road mission, you need to complete it first. And then you need to catch 1 secret fish at the ancient jungle, also at the sacred temple. And last one, you need to create 3 transcendent stones. So the transcendent stones can be created by sacrificing 3 secret fishes. So after you finish all of this, you get the element road as the reward. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.